What mattress do chiropractors recommend? If you're struggling with back pain or just want to wake up feeling refreshed, choosing the right mattress is crucial. So, what do chiropractors recommend when it comes to mattresses? First, let's talk about firmness. Chiropractors agree that a medium firm mattress is usually the best choice. This type of mattress provides the right balance of support and comfort. A medium firm mattress supports the spinal column without being too hard or too soft. If a mattress is too soft, it can lead to less support for the joints of the spine, causing you to wake up with aches and pains. On the other hand, a mattress that's too firm can put extra pressure on your joints, also leading to discomfort. When it comes to the type of mattress, chiropractors often recommend memory foam, latex, or hybrid mattresses. These mattresses are great because they offer good contouring capabilities and motion isolation. Memory foam mattresses, for example, contour to the spinal curves better than other types of mattresses, providing unmatched support by evenly distributing body weight. Hybrid mattresses are another popular choice. They combine the pressure relief of foam with the support of an inner coil layer. This combination promotes evenly distributed body weight and proper support for the spine. Adjustable firmness hybrid mattresses are also a great option, as they allow you to change the firmness of your side of the bed to suit your needs. Latex mattresses are also highly recommended due to their durability and support. They are firm enough to cushion and support the lumbar spine region without being too firm. Plus, latex mattresses last significantly longer than many other types of mattresses. Inner spring mattresses, however, are generally not recommended by chiropractors. These mattresses do not contour to the body for proper spinal alignment and tend to wear out faster than other types. Your sleep position also plays a role in choosing the right mattress. For instance, side sleepers, who make up about 74% of the population, need a mattress that provides the right amount of support and pressure relief. A medium firm mattress is often ideal for side sleepers, as it maintains close contact with the spine and keeps the lumbar region well supported. Chiropractors also suggest considering adjustable beds or mattresses with advanced technology, such as gel cooling technology, to provide optimum support and temperature control. These features can help ease spinal and muscle pain, reduce snoring, and create a comfortable rest environment. In summary, chiropractors recommend mattresses that provide ample support and pressure relief, such as medium firm memory foam, latex, or hybrid mattresses. These mattresses help maintain proper spinal alignment and ensure a comfortable night's sleep, which is essential for both back health and overall well-being.